You guys, today I'm gonna do something I've never done in my entire life. I'm gonna be building my very first PC. Wish me luck. Hey guys, TSV here, and I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna mess up. So I got a professional here. He's built a couple of PCs.
Yeah.
This is Rashad. You wanna plug yourself?
Rashad. I can't remember my Instagram name off the top of my head.
All right, so let's get started. So in terms of components, we have the Core i5 8400, 2.8 gigahertz. We're definitely gonna overclock it.
We'll overclock it to
Now, housing the CPU is the ASRock Z370 Pro 4 motherboard. It supports Intel 8th generation processor, and there's a problem with it, which I will get to in a second. In terms of storage, we have a 120 gig SSD from Kingston. Now, this thing will load Windows in how many seconds?
like 1 to 5 seconds.
Sick. Now, 120 gig is not enough for all my files, so that's why I also picked up a 1 terabyte WD Blue hard drive. So we also have 16 gigabytes of DDR4, 3000 megahertz RAM from G-Skill. This is definitely gonna be an improvement over the DDR3 8 gig I have on my laptop. And powering this guy is an EVGA 600B 80 plus bronze power supply. Now, gone are the days of Intel HD graphics, because finally, we have an Asus GTX 1050 Ti overclocked edition. So it's already overclocked, so we don't need to overclock it. And then in terms of our peripherals, we have a 21:9 ultra-wide monitor from LG, which is already open, so we can just toss that to the side. We have a Red Dragon K551 Vera RGB LED keyboard. It's backlit, multicolored RGB, so...
Definitely do a review on that.
Yep. And then housing the build is going to be the Cooler Master Box Light 5 RGB, because RGB in 2018 is a must.
And it's light.
Yeah. And lastly, because the motherboard doesn't have an RGB header to control the lights on the fan...
His fault.
Shut up. We picked up an RGB controller from Cooler Master, which was $44 and same day shipping, because I was scared it wasn't gonna arrive on time.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Sponsor me. Oh. Audio sync.
Yeah.
Alright. Go! No!
Everything's going wrong.
Everything is going wrong already. We didn't even start.
No, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Why did you go with this instead of the M.2?
It was cheaper.
Fair.
Also, this shirt is not available yet, but coming soon. Drop a like if you're excited.
Yeah, I don't even have one.
Alright, so let's open up the motherboard. So I heard you're not supposed to touch anything on it.
Don't. A lot of people's gonna get triggered because we don't have an anti-static mat, but
We need an anti-static.
this is 2018. Nobody uses that shit. I know he has carpet, but we're not building on carpet. We're good.
Alright, so this is the I/O shield.
That's the worst part.
I know, I heard that's the hardest part.
That's legit the hardest part.
Here's the motherboard. Alright, crack open the CPU. Alright.
Oh, too hard. And then go under. Yeah, and then that pops up.
Oh my god, I'm so
Bada
stressful.
bing,
Okay, don't touch the bottom part.
You always do diagonal first.
I have to push down?
Yeah, push down. Perfect.
This is so goddamn stressful, man.
Now the best part.
The RAM.
Oh yeah, you could stick this.
PC Master Race. How do I pop this out now? Nice.
He's a part of us now.
I'm one of you guys.
Alright, so do you know where these go?
Yes.
Where?
Somewhere. A1 and B2. Sorry, A2 and B2. God damn it. It's A2 and B2, right?
Yes. There we go.
Let's
put the motherboard inside the case.
Okay, don't drop anything, Sajula. Goddamn paid $1,500 for this shit. Huh?
Okay, definitely have to do a review on that keyboard. Manual.
I think we opened it.
Get that manual.
We opened it upside.
We don't need no manual. Oh, you wanna hold this?
Oh shit. Alright, let's flip it this way.
Alright, motherboard.
You need the motherboard.
Wait, I/O shield.
We're good? I don't get why everyone's saying it's so hard. The I/O shield. It's pretty light.
This is your first build, okay?
Huh? No! You!
What the hell's wrong with you?
You know, I know what to title this video. Noob builds PC for the first time and f***s up so bad.
Oh, I was gonna say 2 idiots building a PC. 1+1.
Everyday bro with that. Bye, see you later, thanks for the help. Who said building a PC was gonna be easy? No one. Alrighty. Kids, be careful with knives. You don't want to cut yourself, or better yet, cut someone else.
Not sponsored. No.
Not sponsored. What is this guy sponsored? Ndula, get the goddamn motherfucking shot. You know what's a real nightmare? Not the cable management. Trying to fucking edit this video. SSD. All right, come on this side. All right, let's unbox this. All right, so this is the Kingston something 120 gig something SSD. You're gonna hit the gun.
I'm a baller.
Yo, you're giving me a hard. Yo.
Now, which one do you want to put in on top, bottom?
Up to you, bro. Which one is the best? First, let's unbox it. Did you just yawn? Are my videos boring to you that you yawn?
Cut it. Go get scissors.
All right, which way?
You gotta make sure the SATA cables are out this way.
Okay.
Sweep it in.
That's what she said. All right, so this is the graphics card. Gotta unscrew too. What?
Nothing.
Oh my god, what did you turn off?
Nothing. I didn't turn off nothing.
What am I doing wrong, man? Why are you laughing at me?
You forgot to take this off.
All right, cable management time. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Talk about cable management. All thanks to this guy. There's something I wanted to do before. I want to just peel off. Oh yeah. Woo!
One of the RAM sticks are not. It's not in properly, so. There we go. The installation takes about like 5-10 minutes.
Okay, let's go get some food. Alright, so as you can see, we got Windows all set up, working perfectly fine. Bro, thank you for the help.
No problem,
I appreciate it, man. We tried overclocking, but the CPU isn't unlocked. So, August 25th, we're going to watch the KSI Logan Paul boxing match. Bro, I bought, here's a screenshot right now. I bought the pay-per-view for the fight. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is my new PC. Also, I haven't told you guys the name, but we're calling it Iris because of the 3 eyes, or the 3 lights, the front fans. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you want to do, smash that thumbs up down below. Stay tuned on my tech channel, TSP Tech, for a full setup tour where I'll be adding RGB lights, getting a new desk, mouse pad, a new mic, everything, so you don't want to miss that. So stay subscribed there. Again, links down below. Thank you for watching. Teaspoons! I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Ready for this? 3, 2, 1, peace! You've got to say peace. 3, 2, 1, peace! And then you gotta go. Cover the camera. You know, do that. Alright, yeah, yeah, just cover. Yeah, alright, bye.